English speaking. 1. What is your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is reading. 2. Where do you like to go on vacation? I like to go to the beach. 3. What do you usually do in your free time? I usually watch movies or play video games. 4. Who is your best friend? My best friend's name is Ahmed. 5. What is your favorite food? I love pizza. 6. How do you spend your weekends? I usually hang out with friends or relax at home. 7. What is your favorite subject in school? I really enjoy science. 8. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat named Luna. 9. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Toy Story. 10. What do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be a doctor.